In our last video, we discussed various topics like what is Magento, what is the purpose of learning it, why it is so popular, and why should we learn it. Today, let's discuss the admin features that is available local setups in Magento 2. As we discussed earlier, Magento's front end is developed by PHP and it uses MySQL backend database system. So this is the default homepage of Magento. When you first install Magento with sample data, it looks like this. Now at first let's see how to change a product name, and then how to change price of a product, then how to change or upload an image or video for a product. So this is the home page of Magento, and when you include /admin to your home page, you can access the admin panel. And this is the admin panel for this page. This is the dashboard here, and it contains information about the overall sales, average order, and here you can track information such as a sales chart for a particular month or year likewise. And this section holds information about the last search terms the users used to search the website, and this section contains information like how frequently a specific term is used by the users to search our website. That's all about dashboard. Here is the sales menu, which in turn holds a set of submenus, and each menu has a unique purpose. Orders, by now you could have guessed what it contains. Yes, all the orders which have been placed. For example, if someone placed an order for a mobile in our store, then the detailed information like product name, customer information, billing address information will be here. Do you know the cycle of an order after it is placed? First they place an order, then invoice, that is a bill, will be generated, and then it will be shipped or delivered to the specified location. This is the normal cycle of an e-commerce order. Here we got an extra option for processing refunds. If someone wants to return the item, then it will be in the credit menu. Billing agreements contains subscription based products, for example Amazon Prime or something like that. So this section contains such kind of information. Transaction menu, this contains order related transactions, and then we have Braintree virtual terminal here to avoid fraud payments and transactions. Then comes the catalog menu, which includes products and categories. Here these are all the products and these are all the categories, these are all the subcategories. Here we have a product, just let's copy and paste the product and search for it in the admin so that we can edit it. Yes, the particular product is shown in the result. Now we are going to edit this. These are all the basic default attributes for a product. Let's see how to edit this. For example, I'm going to change this product name, push it messenger back, to push it messenger back new. Yes, save it. After this, go to the front end and refresh. Now you could see the new changed name for the particular product. If the client asks you to change the name or price, you just have to do this. You just have to follow this step. Here, SKU stands for store or stock keeping unit. It's an unique name for a product which is automatically set. We can also set this manually too. If you try to set an SKU which is already allocated to another product, then it will show an error. This is the available quantity field that tells how many of the particular product is available to sales. So if you have 100 numbers of the product, you can set this field to 100. And if the shopper tries to buy 101 numbers of the product, then the customer will receive the message, the requested quantity is not available. Then regarding status, whether it is in stock or out of stock, you can manually select any of this, or if all the available quantity of the products are sold out, it will be changed to out of stock automatically. Then here I choose out of stock, and you can see the result here. It is yes, it is set to out of stock, and add to cart button is disappeared. Yes, and the customer cannot place the order. Here in this categories field, we can select categories under which this product must be listed. Here in this visibility field, if it is set to hidden, then the product will not be shown in the front end. These are the additional attributes that you can use to give additional information about the product. Here is the content attribute to provide any additional content about the particular product. Let us add some extra text here, say test description. Save it and see the front end. Yes, done. Here, rating and reviews sections contain the reviews given by the customers. Then here, images and videos can also be uploaded to enhance the product view for the customer. You could add or upload images here. You can also remove the image, just like this. Yes. So 80 to 90% of product management can be done from the admin page itself. Here SEO, this is the same name in the URL. If you change here, it will be reflected in the URL also. Let's give a push it messenger. Click there. Yes, it is changed. This is the overview of products in the catalog menu. Then we shall move on to categories. This section contains categories and subcategories, and here we can add products under categories or subcategories. We can also upload image for a particular category here, and same with URL as in product settings. Products in category, we can see the list of products under a particular category. Coming to the customers menu, all the customers who are registered in our site will be shown in all customers. Customer groups can be created by us depending on their role. For example, we can create customer group for retailers, for wholesalers or something like that. This marketing menu, this is particularly used for giving discounts or offers. These are called as rules here. If we want to give discounts for wholesalers only or a particular customer group only, we can set that here. These are all the newsletter related submenus. Newsletter based subscriptions for customers can be managed here. In content menu, we have pages, blogs and widgets. Other than products and categories pages, we have pages in our website like about us, customer service, contact us, etc. So these pages can be managed here. For example, take about us page. We can edit here. Blogs and widgets or the contents shown in a page. If you want to show a content in all the pages, we can add it in all the individual pages manually. But obviously it takes time. So to avoid that, we can create a blog with the content, and then we can display that blog in all the pages. So if you want to edit the content, you just have to edit inside the blog and save. Then the corrected content will be updated in all the pages that holds the same blog. So blog, simply we can say it is a subsection of a page that holds content, images and so on. Then widgets is also similar to blogs with added functionalities. Let's see this later. And then comes the themes. Here we have the default Magento Luma theme that gives the unique look and feel that will be specified here. And stores menu contains the overall system configuration. That is, it contains important configuration of the site. Example, site menu, currency, time zone, etc. If you want to add 100 products to this, you don't need to add it one by one. You just import all the products from the Excel sheet itself. Same with exporter. Let me show you how to export. Now I am going to export all the products. Format is CSV. Then just click continue. All the products are exported successfully. So all the details are also exported along with that. So we have almost covered everything. Now you try these, like changing the name of a product, price and status and something like that. Okay. So finally, can you feel the difference between this website and old website those days? The thing is, before years, we used to create files for each and every page, and there will be no admin concept like this. That time, content management needs a lot of customization, like coding and developing. If a change should be made each and every time we change the file, so this is so time consuming. So in Magento 2, this content management is so easy, and that is why Magento 2 is so popular among developers. So far, we learned all the available admin features in Magento. Hoping to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.